agenda for this class is we wanted to understand what is the conditional statements, what is the loops, and what is the functions which we typically work in Python programming. Then we can see some of the methods and in the tomorrow class. For this today class, this is the agenda for the day. We will see one by one with very clear explanations, and if you have any doubt, let me know. I'm here to help you out. Right. Let me start. Okay. This is the conditional statements. Okay, I'm going to this conditional statements. Conditional statements is, I think, what there is a term called condition. So based on the some condition, we need to perform an action. Right? How the conditions will be declared? I'm going to the class 10th. Class 10th last chapter, mathematics, the statistics and computers thing. There is a diagrams. This is the decision box, right? This is the condition. Do some action here. Do some action here. Is this make sense? Are everybody clear? The same thing we can do with computer also. We are going to instruct system to do some activity. If condition is satisfied, condition gets satisfied. Okay. And do some activity if condition is not satisfied. This is what conditional statements, right? Guys, if you understand, give me one there in that chat window. Everybody, Teja. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. Now, let us see. How many? I know. I hope that you know the basic programming, right? Basic C++ something. In C, how do we write? If condition do activity, else if that's it. Whereas in Python, conditional statements are written as below. If clearly note down if you are required. If expression statements. This is called simple if condition. This colon is mandatory. Here the statements, here you focus here. This, whatever the statements we are writing should align with condition expression, that is called condition. Example, this way you should write the code on this. If a equal to greater than 0, I cannot write the display or print. A is positive. This is absolutely wrong. This is wrong. So how do we need to write? If a greater than or equal to 0, from here, the indentation, this is called indentation. Print A is any doubt here? Or everybody understood? The alignment. What is this we call? We call this as an alignment. This we should align this. Alignment is mandatory. Guys, understood or not? If understood, give me one. Okay. This is about the if condition. So, for every condition, let me put in another. We need to instruct the system as much as possible ways. It means that, let us take an example. A person is driving from this road. When a road is blocked, this guy is not been instructed. He will stuck for whole day. When we are talking about a robot, same thing. When it is stuck and you are having instructed, if you are traveling to the map, then continue. Else you are not coded anything, so it has got blocked. As long as its road was there, it is going to keep traveling. When it is blocked, and it will stay remain in the same place. Because we are not given any instructions if it finds any obstacles. Right? Agree or not agree? If you agree, then fine. Okay. So, for every conditional handling, we need to use other case also, other possibilities as well. Agree or not agree? Guys, you agree? If you are agree, give me one. other possibilities. How we can make it? If expression it means else. Again else also TC. Right? And else. If you want to write down the example, please note down this example. This example. Then once you're done, let me know. Now I would like to focus something here, a particular given example. Here, if this gets satisfied, if my given number equal to 3, right? So, did you see this indentation? Right. Here, you could see the indentation, right? I was talking about if followed by the indentation. If this is satisfied, then only this will get printed. If else, here, because this print is it's outside of the loop. This if and this print is outsider actually. The same thing, like if expression, whatever the statements you write here, the scope of this is completely. You got my point. You are trying. You are able to get my point. Okay. So have you written? Have you noted down this? If condition example. Once you're done, let me know. Okay. Okay. Then this table is mandatory. This is what we are discussing about. See here. Here, this is what? Condition. So when it's true, it checks for the body of the if. If false, it checks for the else part here. Like example, compare if A greater than B. Print A is big, else print B is big. In this given example, this is my example. So if A greater than B, how the condition flows? It checks A greater than B? Yes, true. So it gets printed A is big. Is this clear? So the condition, if, let us take another one more example. 8 greater than 9. What will happen in this condition? If A greater than B, the file goes to print B is big. I hope everybody is clear in this conditional statements. If you are clear, just give me one. Okay. So next item on this, right? I'll take other colors. There is something called nested if. Nested if. In it, what will happen if within if conditions? That is what? Nested if. What we call it as nested if. In this, right? What we do? If expression, statements, traditionally, so far I have written else. In this place, in this else part, I'm gonna write I'm taking out, I'm striking out, I'm using elif. For nested if conditions, we need to use elif instead else if. Elif serves the elif is nothing but its equivalent of else if. Guys, clear with this or not? If you are not clear, let me know. I'll explain you one more time. This is the flowchart and example for nested if. Please make a note of this. I will just go on mute. Once you're done, let me know that done. This is important, understanding of the else parts. Then noted? Yesterday. Everyone. Sweta, Teja. Okay. This is one more example. Here, this input command, so far we have seen A equal to 5, B equal to 4. Then if A greater than B, do something. We have done this number equal to, here what I am doing here, number equal to float of input enter number, right? This operator input will accept the data at runtime. There are some few advantages when you accept the data into the runtime. I'll explain you what will happen. See, let us take an example. If my condition is coded with fixed values, this sort of applications will not sustain for longer. What? Sustain for longer period. Because it always accepts the predefined value. So, request you to use dynamic programming. We need to use what programming? Dynamic programming. In the particular case, number equal to float, you are accepting float and input enter a number. It means that you are accepting the data at runtime. So it's not fixed. The condition has become now generalized, not like static conditions. What is this? We have a static input and dynamic inputs. Your program should always go with dynamic input rather static inputs. Agree? If you have understood this concept, please give me one. If then write down this example. Everybody, once everybody noted this point, then let me know. Done? Okay. So, already done. Okay. Okay, wait. Just let me continue this. Here, this is nested example for nested if. Hey, here instead of what will happen ideally? What will do when we do initial programming? We say a equal to 5, right? Then we say if a is greater than 0, it's true. Condition is satisfied. If number equal to 0 again, no, this condition gets failed. So so, else it will print you what? Positive number. Imagine that there is no sentence is here. It is not here. Right? Now you are given x equal to only 5. This is what is the way you have written x equal to 5. Whenever you run again, it will take only 5, right? You cannot change the value because it is already fixed. This is what? Static programming. You wanted to test the new condition, each and every iteration we need to use here. Next, let us assume that if you press enter, it asks you the enter a number. You have entered 8. What will happen? It comes to the first condition. If number equal to greater than 8, yes, true. If number equal to 0, here I'll write other false. So this is the not scenario, it will occur. So it executes a print. If, imagine, next time when I try to enter this, entered value equal to -5. What will happen here? The condition itself gets failed here, then it comes to here. Directly it shows you the negative number. Understood? Or not understood? Wait, I hope it's clear. Yes. Okay. Now, so okay. And what are the one more important aspect for programming? One is conditions. One, what are the things should go parallelly? I'll let you. Along with conditions, what is essential for a programming? I need answers from you guys, not 1 and 2. Okay, one is conditional statements, another one is what is required. When you want to write a good programming, apart from conditions, we need loops. Okay, agree? Okay, agree. See, we wanted to use the loop. How many we wanted to make system to be more iterative process, conditional as well as iterative. We have seen the conditional, we are gonna do the iterative. To iterative, before that, we needed to understand range function. Range of 1 comma 10 will give me the 0, range of 10. Range of 10 will give me 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the 10 numbers because it is counted from 0 also 1 index. Agree? So, in order to use, okay, now we are going with try to understand. Okay, what is the for loop and while loop? Your understanding, let me know your understanding so that, no, even I'll going to explain you in a very easy manner. How for loop works and how while loop works. Your idea. Nobody is answering me. Okay. For loop, both are used for iterative process. Okay. For loop checks the condition initial and enters into the loop. Right? Agree? Like if for I and okay, we will see that example later. Okay, the condition is tested first. Whereas the while loop, condition is tested after entering into the loop. First it enters the loop, then it checks the condition. Guys, understood or not understood? Is it clear? Okay. So, can you write down this diagram, flow chart? Please note on the flow chart. Like some sort of running notes. See here. Yeah. Initially, I am initializing it to sum equal to 0. So the numbers. This is what? Numbers, right? This is called list, right? I hope everybody knows this method. This is called list. So for while in numbers, so I am looping over all this stuff. Okay, I'll show you what will happen now. I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna explain you and okay, let's see here. It's 1 equal to 1, 2. Right. I'm gonna do for IN list 1. For every condition or iteration, it should have a sum equal to 0, and I'm making sum equal to I plus sum. Right? That's it. What will happen? What is happening here? Now, what is happening here? Let me go to the first. We will see the logic. Like first it came to the sum equal to 0. Then it is first time at the sum equal to 0. The first element it was taken 1, then it is taken twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many things? You could see the sum, right? You can see the sum is increasing. So nice. How many elements? 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many indexes? 7th index it should come out, right? 8 it has come, okay. That's it. How many times it has iterated? Over 8 times it has been iterated. Guys, are you able to follow this looping concept? If you are able to follow, just give me 1 here. You can see the Vasu, okay, Chenna, everyone, the loop, okay. Now we will see some example here. No, I am not asking you to execute, let's see here. If number equal to, I am just giving the float, enter, please enter number. I am writing this example as a here is this in this window, it's not a out import. Right. When you enter this, what was it has shown here? Please enter a number. Here, if A is, now I am writing the condition of nested if A is equal to greater than 0, here I am just giving, again I am checking if A is equal to 0, print A is positive. Else print given number is negative. Okay, I am entering as a 8. Submit. So what it has given? Okay. Okay. Now what is happening? Something we mistaken it. Number is okay. 1 second. Okay, see here condition. It is telling that please enter number 10 is greater than 0. Here last, I'm coming to the last, right? First, I'm going to the first. Here I'm entering the number, right? Forward, right? And it is checking, right? If the condition comes to here, if number equal to 0, yes. Not equal to 0. So it is printing the greater than 0. Now, what we will do? Again, we will try to execute this. Now, enter a value. Once again, it is taking the same value. Now, I am giving the negative value here. -7. I have given the -7. So if number is greater than 0, false, right? Forward. It's coming to the else part directly. Forward. Is this clear or not? The looping. We made condition to pin number is 0. Clear. And one more thing, okay. So we will go on to see further steps. Okay, range. What is the function called? Range. Range will generate range is a Python function which takes me the values in a given range. Range of 10 means it prints from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. From till how many it will take? It will take 8 and 9 because it consists of 10. It is inclusive of 0. So it contains of 10. Now, my question is here again. The range function will hold the 3 parameters. One is start parameter, then end parameter and step size. Range function. Range of 10 to 20 step size. What is this? This is my starting position. This is my position. My step size is 2. So 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. This is my step size. Step size is the thing, the difference between the difference in the given numbers. Understood or not understood? Range function. If you are understood, give me 1. Okay. One more thing, function here is very similar to one more function we call linspace. Linspace also will take the start and stop and number of elements. From 1 to 10, give me 50 elements. Is it possible or not possible? That is this possible or not? The linspace, I can take 50. Right, from 1.001, 002, 2. So equally distributes the data between 1 to 10 and it generates how many points? 50 points. 50 data points. This is also one important linear space. Linear space is nothing but linear space. You understood the difference between range and linear space? If you are not understood, let me know. I'll explain you the linear space. Okay. So here, range of 10 will give me what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. Okay, I'll see. Here we'll go. Okay, range 0 to 10. So if I want the numbers between 0 to 10, so I need to use list. See. You can see the list of a range will given me what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'll say from 0 to 10 by 2. See the difference. This is what starting position and this is my ending position. Here. This is my start. This is my end position. This is what? My step size. Step size is nothing but how many of you know arithmetic progression? 1, 3, 5, 7. My difference always carries only 2. Here also 2. Number also 2. So it follows the distribution, arithmetic progression. Whatever. This is what range function will do. Now I told you right. Okay. Linspace. Print. I'll show you that linspace also. Just read for some time actually. And meanwhile, you write down the range function already, right? So, in this given example, right? For IN, I'll write here. Okay, let us make the students list. Students. Okay. Awesome. Look at data. Shweta. Okay. Let's keep these are the numbers. Now I have the list of here. For IN, so instead of writing S length of so the range function I am using, so range will hold of what? Length. in this particular example, I'll walk you through this example actually first. Here, I have a student, right? Vasu, Venkat, Teja, Sweta, Vivek. These are my students. This is my list here. You can see the list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what will be the I value? Will be 4, right? Because range of 4 will give me what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Agree? Is this still clear? So for every time I am asking to continue it for how many times? I am asking for 5 times. This loop runs for how many times? 5 times. So then it gets prints. Let's see this in like, okay, we will go to the first and we will see. Students, I have written it forward. My loop into came into first. I equal to 0, the first time, the first iteration. It will be displayed here. You look at here. You look at this window also. So it prints Vasu. Then it comes to the second index. That is meaning of 1. Then it forwards. It prints Venkat. Then it comes to the second. It takes the value of Teja. Then it goes back. Third index. So third is what? Shweta. It prints it. Then fourth is Vivek. Right? Any doubt in this? In this particular looping concept? For loop. Any doubt? Okay. Everyone, nobody has doubt, right? Teja, Shweta. Yes. No doubt. No. Now we were gonna see for program and we are using again else here. We will use else part and print no more in students. No more students in list. Now, first, okay, forward, it's see here, then condition Vasu, Venkat, Teja, Sweta, Vivek. It comes to the else part and it means no more students in the list. Why I am discussing here, even that this, I mean to focus here, else part is not only associated with if condition, we can use it for loop also. Clear? If you are clear, give me 1 here. Give me 1. Type 1 in the chat window. Okay. Now, the while expression. What we are gonna do? While. I will discuss that while condition. Okay, let me do this. Now I am going to create the while loop here. This I am taking out. given n equal to 10, sum equal to, I'm making as a 0 and I equal to 1, while I is less than or equal to n. How many times it has to be do? 10 times. Sum equal to sum plus I. Sum plus I equal to I plus 1. Print sum of elements okay. 1. Next number is 3. Here you can see 8. So can you write the program for the for condition? For the same thing, sum of 10 numbers. Can you write it? Okay, now we will see here. First, I am going to the first. Okay. Now let us watch closely. I have given declared here n equal to 10. We discussed. First it enters here, then only it checks the condition. Let's see how it works. Sum I equal to 0. While it entered here. Okay, then it checks the condition here. It comes to the condition back. Then it is entering. So it is counting everything. Any doubt here in this while condition? Guys, if you have any issue, just let me know. Clear about while condition. Okay. Yeah, we can, Sharath, we can use break also. We will see that in example. You can see, I will give you the break also we can use. We can break this. Now, okay. Again, while with else condition. Okay. While with else condition. Here, I can write it here. Else print sum of 10 numbers. End of calculation. Right, it reaches to the end of time. We can use in for loop or while loop. Okay, I request you to go to Google Colab. Everyone, we will do the hands-on exercise. Newcomers, go to Google Colab and Here you select new Python notebook. Okay. You select new Python notebook. And select new Python notebook. Then the first thing is this. So print x1 I have given. You need to complete subtraction, multiplication, division and modulo division and floor division and exponent. I wanted to understand what is these three differences and let me know the three differences also. Like you will get the window like here, new Python notebook. This is what you will get at here. So this is how you will get it. Just now subtraction, print subtraction, comma, what I need to give, x minus y. Okay. Print right. So the division. Okay. So guys, have you done? Guys, done? Done or not? Okay. See here, what is the difference did you observe here? Very simple thing here. We want to notice one thing. Subtract, addition you got the answer. But still this we need to understand. 10 by 2, what is it? 1 by 2, it's giving the what? Is this remainder or a quotient? Remainder or quotient? What is this? Okay, reminder. Reminder. Super. Here, the float division is giving me the reminder. Float division is nothing but to this is giving me the reminder. Imagine I have a numbers are different here. Now you see the remainder. Remainder equal to remainder is 3. My float division is okay. Float division is 1. Okay. Now let me make this one. I'll get remainder equal to 3. Float division. The float division will tell me the number of times it expects. Float division. Let us again and 3 1s are 3. Again I get 7. 3 1s are 3. Again 3 2s are 6. Then I have 1. So 3 3s are how much? 9. 3 times this will go. This is what the float division is all about. How many times it will go. Next one. Also, are you able to log into Colab? Google Colab? Also, are you able to log into Google Colab? Okay. Here in this example, when you take this example, here we are going to take 10, 20. My first condition is A greater than A less than B. True, right? A greater than B. False. A equal to B. False. And A not equal to B. True. Right? This is what condition checking greater than, less than, not equal to, not equal to condition. Okay? Here is the logical architecture. Here A or B. So what is untable and R table? Do you remember? True. True, false. False, true. False. This is the condition, right? The untable. When you do this untable, here what I am given? I am given the one false. So untable will give me what? False. This is what the so I have A, B. A and B will be true, false, true, untrue. This is my 10th standard. True, false will give me false. False, true will give me false. False will give me false. When you are saying both are true, then either should be. Whereas in R condition, R table, when you take R table, A, B, A or B, and if anyone true, true, it becomes true. So, true, false becomes true. False, true becomes true. False, the false. Now, see here. I am going here. I am giving A and B are false. False. Okay. So, okay, I'll open the table. This one, right? So it came to my last. Here. I have given and also false and R. True, false, true, false, true, false, false. R also give me what? False. This is my table, right? If you are not able to recollect, please write down this table. This is very important for machine learning and deep learning prospect and OR logics. Guys, till this you are able to follow? If you are able to follow, give me one. Okay. Next, Vasu, are you able to do the practice? Teja? Are you able to execute? Okay. Next. Next thing is I'm going to identity operations. Identity operation is and is not. It exists or is not. Here. Identity operators. So now next is not. Print when I use A is not B, it is A equal to B. Here when I say A equal to 10, it gives me what? It gives me true. Because A is not B, because A is what the identity operators. Identity operators is and is not. Okay, Vasu, no issues, no issues. Now, we're going to hello, am I audible now? सचिन मैंने म्यूट नहीं किया था. I didn't do mute. Am I audible to all guys? If I am audible, give me one in the chat window. Am I audible? Okay. The same way. Okay, here you can see, right? If I use here, I will see the indentation issues here. We are discussing about indentation, right? I'll tell you. Here I am trying to understand flowchart. Number equal to 10. If number is greater than 0, first. If this is been here, what will happen? If when I give the number as a -1, this number will not, this print will not, because this will never print, because this print is inside the loop. If and aligned with this expression, this is the scope, right? Now let us see here. I am giving number equal to 10. Okay, this I'm just shifting. Okay, first you take this. Okay, in this. Now what will happen if a number is given 10, right? So this prints. Okay. What happens if I use -1 here? This will print nothing. No print. Right? Because this loop is this indentation, due to this indentation, this print is been associated with this if condition. You understand guys clearly? Because of the reason here, you didn't get any output. Because of the indentation, because of indentation. When I have given print is inside this, so this condition, this is the scope of this. This if scope is complete to this. There is no outside. That was the reason the indentation is important. When I change this indentation here, this means always, because this print is outside of the if condition. Now if else condition, right? We will walk through again. See here, if condition, expression, body of if, and else part of else. Hope you are clear. Here, 1 second. Here I am trying to execute this. I am accepting the input. I am accepting the input from the user. See here. It will wait till I press enter. You entered integer is 17, so it is in a positive number. It got terminated. Now I am going to execute again. I am giving -1. It's in a negative number. Same way, I am going to execute if else and else if condition. This is called else if. It's a negative number. Here I will use same command for number we are accepted dynamically. I will test the 3 conditions. So it's a positive number. Right? Again I will execute it. I am just giving 0. So it is giving me the 0. Again I am testing with negative value. It's a negative number. Guys, till this have you done? If you are done, just give me 1. second, Sharath, Shweta. Yeah, I'll wait. Teja. Okay, good. Yes. This is the one more example of finding the largest numbers, right? Here, when you are wanting to find the largest number, we wanted to see we want to compare ABC. Let us imagine. First I need to compare A greater than B and A greater than C. Then only if these two conditions is satisfied, the A will be greater than. A is greater, right? Then if B greater than A and B greater than C, then only B is greater, else C is greater. This is what I need to write the condition. So how should I write? If number 1 is greater than or equal to number 2 and condition. And means what? If both true means true. You are getting my point. This is what the truth table is important. Truth false table. Have you noted down the truth and false table, guys? Everyone? Forget about all these things. Truth table. How many have written? What, Sarah? I didn't get you. Expression can be written. Cannot be written in 2 lines. Yes, you can write it. No issues. Like nobody. See, it's all about how you write the program actually. Okay. It's nothing like that. We need to write in 1 line. Among this 50, now I will make my system to now. What will be the largest number? Okay. You should not be ideally giving this answer, right? Is this true or false, this condition? This cannot be the answer actually. Here I want to we want to find the product of all the numbers in a given list. What we are doing? We are doing here, we are using what condition here? While product equal to list of index. Okay. This one I will put you on this, so you will get more visually understandable. into this first. Let's observe this. Power, I have product 1. While it comes into the loop. Product equal to 10. 1 into 10. Right? 1 into 10, my product goes to 10. So next time it comes to the next one index. Then 10 into 20 becomes 200. 200 into 3, it becomes 6000. 6000 into 4, 24,000. 24,000 into 60, 1 lakh, 1 crore 40. This is what the answer. That's it. Okay. Done. This is what the product. And next is whenever you enter in the input mode, it takes as a string. Whatever you enter, the value, let us take. The value I'm not given, like I just taken out this. If I use type of number now see, I'm just giving the 10 and submitting. So type of number will be string, right? Whenever you accept it as the input mode, it will be as a string only. Here you can see, when you are accepting, write on the point here, key point. Whenever we accept any number dynamically with input option, it always takes as a what? String. So that to avoid this, we use int or float to our possible values. Guys, are you clear in this? If you are clear, if you have doubt, please let me know. Now I will use int. It is not prime number, because why it is not prime number? 8 is divisible by 2, 8 is divisible by 4, and so it is not a prime number. So this is what you have done it for. I'll gonna give you this. Check the whether given number is prime or not. I'm supposed to give this as exercise homework, but I sort of explaining you. Okay. To make this prime number, what are the conditions? How do you check the prime number? Is the condition is prime or not? How do you check the condition is prime or not? Guys, tell me, what is the basic rule for thumb rule for checking prime number? How do you check the prime number and even number? A number, what is the prime number? A number divisible by only one and itself, then we call that as prime number. Even number divisible by 2 will give the 0 gives the even number. Now for loop. We have seen the while loop, now we are going with for loop. For loop. For ELE in a list, product equal to, this is again multiplications. This will holds good for multiplication. I told you right, range. Range will take me 0 to 9 numbers, and like this also good, and index also it was good. I'll write about the ways. Both will give me the similar answers. Till that's done, guys. Once you're done, let me give me one, so that I will move to the next topic. Here for loop with else. Here we are using no item. Again we have the break statement also. What will happen? Break. When it will happen the break? If for item in numbers, so after 2 it breaks. Whenever it encounters the here, structure, the break sentence. Break statement, here we have a list of 1 and 2, 3. So I am telling, when I if item by 2 equal to 0, meaning of that 1 by 2 is not equal to 0, 2 by 2, it's a remainder. This is 1 only, 0. 2 by 2 will give me 0. So that I'm printing till this. I'm just terminating the loop here. So I'm not even printing anything here. Right? This is what the break sentence is all about. This is the homework exercise within a given interval. Homework exercise for today. By the time I am going to display the prime numbers within a given interval. I need to specify the interval also, so that I need to find out. Okay. Here we will see we can use two kinds of control statements again. Okay, one more two control statements, either continue or break. If I'm giving instructions, if condition gets satisfied, do the actions, do needful action. It may not be always breaks. If condition is satisfied, I need to continue my job. There is nothing that there is no specific rule that okay, your condition is satisfied, so you can stop this. No, not at all. You can do it for longer. See here in this particular example. Here of 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Number equal to 4. The first equal to 4. So I will take it in a red. First number equal to 4, so false. Second number equal to 4, false. Third number false. True. Okay. So that breaks. When? So I need how many numbers to be printed? 1, 2, 3. I am not telling you to print the 4. I am just take the breaks till where it is. Okay. This is what the break sentence. We will see tomorrow some of the other class. Any doubts for today? Guys, any doubts? If you have any doubt, please let me know.